Good morning, everybody. I going to that trigonometry. You know that trigonometry means is trigonometry. This is a trigonometry. What is the trigonometry means is a tri means is three. Gon means is sides or angles. And metry means you know that metry. Measurement. This is trigonometry. In 10th class and 9th class also the very important in 10th class students. 8 marks, 4 marks, 2 marks, 1 marks also given there. But this is a in mathematics very simple topic. You don't worry about that. I will explain that simple that this is a trigonometry. Tri means is three sides angles. That is for example we have that this one is a one line. He says this is one height. This one is a base. This one he is hiding this. What is this? This is A, B, C. This is right angle triangle. What is this? Right angle triangle. How is it you find out that in right angle triangle? This is in the first one is square. They show that in the square. This is a right angle. Almost is in trigonometry in almost to we problem solve the right angle. Okay, and right angle. This is 90 degrees. Exactly opposite side. What is we call that? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. This is here is what is it we want to some theta. For example, here what is that? Theta. This is means is this opposite side. What is this called? Opposite side. Opposite side to theta. This one adjacent. Adjacent to theta. Okay. This one is very simple, and we will. How do you find out that sin theta, cos theta, tan theta? You know about that? Very simple. This one is sin theta. We take for example sin theta. Sin theta is equal. Theta means this one is. Sin is there is. This one is only. This one is the ratio. You know about that? Ratio. Ratio means is for example. You know that 9th class people say 30 members and 8th class people are 20 people. That is how is 20. 30 is to 20 or 20 is to 30. We will say that ratio. Say this is ratio. Sin theta is we are explaining about that ratio. Ratio means is we are explaining that opposite side to hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by opposite side. Opposite side to what is that? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. This is sin theta. For example, what is he called there? Opposite side what is? AB. There is AB. And hypotenuse is AC by AC. And next cos theta. Cos theta is equal. Cos theta means is what we are. Cos theta means you observe here. We know about that simple Saka. Saka tha. This one you know that Sakata. Sakata means sin theta object opposite side by hypotenuse, and cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan theta means opposite by adjacent. This one is We are example. Cos theta is means is, you know that adjacent to theta by what that divided by hypotenuse and tan theta. Same. This tan theta is opposite side to theta divided by adjacent to theta. This one is very simple. We are triangle means is a trigono angles meters, and this one is a one triangle, right angle. How is it you find out that right angle is 90 degrees? This one is opposite side to angle adjacent. This one is 90 degrees and a square. This is sure. Find main square is right angle that opposite hypotenuse. This one is so kata means is we are just find out remember that sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse ABC. That one is cos theta adjacent to means is BC by is equal to BC by what is that hypotenuse AC. This one is opposite side means is AB by adjacent means BC. AB by BC. This one is a very simple, and we know about that in Pythagoras. You know Pythagoras is Siddhanta means his principles that he is a square plus b square is equal to c square. Same we are derivation that sin theta, how is it we will explain that. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is how is it you find out, you know about that, the Pythagoras and principles you know about that. For example, sin square theta means is sin theta is opposite side and hypotenuse. Cos theta means is here adjacent by opposite hypotenuse. This one. And next one is hypotenuse by hypotenuse. Simple. Cancel. That one is a sin square that. And next one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This one or four formulas is there. This is a very simple topic. So you are a clear. Always is a thing about is so many students are the trigonometry is very hard. No, this is a very simple subject. I will easily explain that. Okay. Thank you so much.